Hello. Facial hair can be a concern for many women, but don't worry too much. Today, we will explore natural, simple, and safe methods to effectively reduce facial hair while enhancing your skin's health and radiance. Try these natural face masks. 1. Turmeric and gram flour. Mix 3 tablespoons of gram flour and 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder in a bowl. Add a little water to create a thick paste. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Perform this daily for 1 month to see results. This mixture helps reduce facial hair naturally while improving skin texture and softness. 2. Sugar and lemon. Mix 2 tablespoons of crystal sugar and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice in a small bowl. Add a bit of warm water to create a thick paste, then stir well. Gently rub the mixture onto your skin in small circular motions to exfoliate. Leave it on for 10 minutes and rinse with lukewarm water. This method can keep your skin hair-free for up to 6 weeks while leaving it soft and even-toned. 3. Honey and lemon. Mix 2 tablespoons of pure honey and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice in a small bowl. Stir until smooth. Using your fingers or an applicator, apply the mixture to your face, focusing on areas with thick hair. Leave it on for 20 minutes to let it deeply penetrate. Afterward, soak a cotton cloth in warm water, wring out the excess moisture, and gently wipe your face in soft, circular motions. Finish by rinsing with cold water to tighten pores. Part 2. Diet to support hormonal balance. Incorporate the following phytoestrogen-rich foods into your daily diet: soybeans, flax seeds, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, and whole grains. Phytoestrogens help balance estrogen levels and alleviate hormonal imbalances, particularly for those with PCOS or endocrine disorders. Additionally, seeds like sesame and sunflower, as well as peaches, oats, and mung beans, play an important role in naturally improving hormonal balance. Ensure that you choose foods you are not allergic to for the best results. Part 3. Yoga and a positive lifestyle. Adopt these habits into your daily routine to reduce stress and balance hormones. 1. Yoga poses. Poses such as Vajrasana, and abdominal breathing help relieve stress and improve blood circulation in the pelvic region. This supports better endocrine function and hormone synchronization. 2. Daily physical activity. Light walking or jogging for 30 minutes daily is highly beneficial for maintaining a healthy and fit body. 3. Self-love and care. Learn to love and respect yourself during the improvement process. Focus on small, consistent progress and celebrate the positive results you achieve. Start today with small habits like adding nutritious foods to your diet, practicing yoga regularly, and caring for your skin. These small steps will lead to significant changes in your life. Every day, you'll notice your skin becoming brighter, free of excess hair, and your confidence growing. Confidence and beautiful skin are well-deserved rewards for your efforts.